We don't have to keep pretending that hustle is a cure-all, or that burnout is just a personal failure, or that surviving is something to be ashamed of. We need policies that give people time to breathe, not just barely function. Paid sick leave that doesn't cost your job. Universal health care that covers therapy as much as surgery. Affordable childcare, elder care, disability supports. So no one's forced to choose between survival and showing up. Housing and transit that gives people their hours and their dignity back. And yes, we can afford it. We live in a world where billionaires have private jets for their pets, where corporations hoard wealth made off the backs of exhausted workers, where we've been told there's no money, while the ultra-rich stash trillions. Tax the billionaires, fund the programs, and give people back their time.